Hi everyone, I've got a fantastic opportunity here today on Whimberry Close in Salford to show you this fantastic 3-bedroom semi-detached property coming to the market chain free. So to the front here we have a landscaped front garden along with a driveway to the side as well. On the right hand side we've got our downstairs WC, as you can see there, which is lovely and convenient. And then walking through the property here into our lounge, we've got a great space here, really nicely presented and nicely taken care of throughout as well. Property is in moving condition, all double glazed and gas central heated throughout. The rear of the property here, we've got this lovely modern Wren kitchen. As you can see here, done to a very good standard and again really nicely maintained as well. So that's our kitchen diner, and then we've got French doors which opens up to our landscaped rear garden. So we do have access down the side, got some planted borders here, and it's lovely and low maintenance, as you can see. Nice and private and secure at the back and not overlooked. So that's a ground floor of the property. So we've got a landscape low maintenance front and rear garden with a driveway, lounge, kitchen, diner and downstairs WC. Now heading upstairs, we have 3 generous sized bedrooms and a modern 3-piece shower room. And again, the property is coming to the market chain free. Situated in a fantastic area of Salford, which is within very close proximity to Salford Quays, Media City, and into Manchester city centre. Got excellent transport links and local amenities around here, and we are positioned on a very nice quiet cul-de-sac. So this is our main bedroom, as you can see here. 2 windows in there, storage cupboard just behind the door. And next to our main bedroom is the shower room. Got some storage under the sink there as well. Nice and modern towel heater, window for natural light, and then we've got wall and floor tiles. Our second bedroom, which is overlooking the rear of the property. Again, everything is in moving condition, all nice condition, carpeted throughout the whole of the upstairs, as you can see here. And then this is our third and final bedroom. So this has been a fantastic property on Whimberry Close in Salford, coming to the market chain free. If you would like to arrange a viewing, please call the office on 0161 707 4900.